Good morning everyone. I am Sharmila, working as faculty of computers in Sanjeev College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on open source database Unit 3 section 4. The topic is date and time data types in MySQL. First, date. The date data type is in format of year, month, date. The above format is represents the 4-digit year, 2-digit day and 2-digit month. That means the year can be declared as 4-digit year or 2-digit year. That means 2021 is the 4 digits, or we can declare 2 digits also, 21. Okay, and month, 2-digit month, that means 12 or 09, 10, 11 are the 2 digits. So 2-digit month is declared, and the date is also 2-digit date. That means 01, 02, 03 are declared. Okay, this is the date. Next, time. It stores the time in hours, minutes, seconds format, where hours represents hours, represents minutes, and SS represents seconds. Okay. Next, timestamp. It includes the date and time parts are represented as years, months, date, or hours, minutes, seconds format. This is the timestamp. Timestamp means combining both date and time. Years, month, date are the date data type, and hours, minutes, seconds are the time data type. This is the timestamp. And next, date time. The date time data type are represented as years, month, date and hours, minutes, seconds format. Okay. Next, if you look at this table, this is the example table for date time data types. First, timestamp. Timestamp means both date and time. The description is time, date and time. And if you look at this example, timestamp is first year 2021, and 05 is the month and 03 is the day. Okay, this is the date data type. And next, time, hours, minutes, seconds. Okay, timestamp means including both date and time data types. So output displayed in date and time. Okay, next, date. This is the example. There are two data types are declared in this example, date and time data types, but output displayed in only date because date data type is declared. Okay, next, time. No date. Okay, only time displayed because the data type is time. So example, in this example, there are two data types are declared. One is date data type, another one is time data type. But output displayed in time data type because we have to taken the time data type. Okay. Next, interval. Interval between two, date or time. Okay. Example is 1 day, 2 hours, 10 seconds. And the output displayed in 1 day, 2 hours, 10 seconds. Because interval is a two types. One is date type and another one is time type. So, output displayed in two data types. Okay. This is the example table. Next, date functions. If you look at this, the first command is select current date from dual. Select current date from dual. Okay. Dual is a dummy table, consists of one column and one row. Can be used for table reference in the from class. Okay. Present date, and second command is used to display the present system year, and next command is used to display the present date in the system, and next command is used to display the month, and the last command is used to display the system date. From dual is the table name. This is a dummy table. Next, if you look at this, some examples are run. Okay. Open the SQL command line पे first connect. Okay, username is system. Password is system. Connected. So let's start the commands. First command is select current date. Current means present. Underscore date. Present date from table name is Jewel. Jewel means dummy. Okay. Enter. So display the present date. Today is 28 May 2021. Year can be declared as 4-digit or year or 2-digit year. Okay. My system date is 28 and month is 5th month. If you look at this cursor, month is 5th month and year is 21. Okay. So display the current date. Next command. Next command is select extract of year from system date. SYS means system date from Jewel semicolon. Okay. Press enter key. Display the present year. Display the present year in the system. Okay. My system today year is 2021. So 2021 is displayed. The year is displayed. Okay. Next command. Next select space extract of day from system date from Jewel semicolon. This command is used to display the date. System date is displayed. Okay. Press enter key. So display the present day. The day is 28. Okay. My system date is 28. If you look at this cursor, the system date is 28. So 28 is displayed. Okay. Next command. Next month command. Month is displayed. Okay. Select space extract of month from system date from Jewel semicolon. This command is used to display the month from system date from Jewel. In my system date the month is 5. So 5 is displayed. Okay. Enter key press. So 5 is displayed. Today is 5th month. So 5 is displayed. Okay. Next. The next command is select system date from Jewel semicolon. Enter. Okay. System date is displayed. My system date is, if you look at this cursor, my system date is 5th month 28th day 2021. So display the 28th day 5th month and 2021 is displayed. This is my system present date. Okay. So these are the commands for date functions. Okay. First command is select current date from Jewel. That means display the current date. Select means display the current date from the table. Next, select extract of year from system date from Jewel. That means display the present year from the system. 2021. So 2021 is displayed. Next, select extract of day from system date from Jewel. In my system date, present day is 28. So 28 is displayed. Next, select extract of month from system date from Jewel. So present month, 5th month is displayed. Okay. Next, select system date from Jewel. That means display system date from Jewel. My system date is, if you look at this cursor, date is 5th month, 28th day 2021 is displayed. Okay. These are the commands. Next, formatting dates to strings. The syntax is to underscore char. Char means character data type of date type comma pattern from table name semicolon. This is the syntax. So next, if you look at this table, this is the example table. HH is the hours and example is to underscore char of time. Time is 4:15 p.m. In this 4:15 p.m. enclosed in quotations because this is a string data type. Okay, comma. HH means hours. Only display the hours. The output display only hours. Okay. Because I am taking the hours data type, so only declare hours. 4 is the hours, so 04 is declared. Okay. Next, minutes. The example is to underscore char of time 4:15 p.m. comma mi. Mi means minutes. So output display only minutes. In this 4:15 p.m. the minutes are 15. Okay, 4 is the hours and 15 is the minutes. So 15 is displayed. Okay. Next, seconds. SS means seconds. The example is to underscore char of time 4:15:23 p.m. So only display SS. SS means seconds. 23 is the seconds. In this example, 4 is hours, 15 is minutes and 23 is seconds. So 23 is displayed. Next, year. Last 2 digits of the year. Example is to underscore char of date 2021. The month is 5th month and day is 3. The year displayed in 2 digits only. Last 2 digits are displayed. 21 is the displayed in the output. Okay. This is the example table. Next. Example commands. The first command is select to underscore char of timestamp 2021 5th month 3rd day and this is the date and next time is declared 15 is to 38. Okay. The date and time are declared in this command. Timestamp means both time and date are displayed. Okay. From Jewel. Jewel means table name. Next command is select to underscore char of timestamp declared in date and time also. Okay. Year, month, date and time is hours, minutes, seconds are declared from Jewel. Okay. This command is displayed in year and month and date are also hours, minutes, seconds. Okay. Next command is select to underscore char of timestamp. Date is declared and time is declared from table name is Jewel. In this command only display the this part is only displayed. Month, date, year are only displayed. But because the string is month, date, year, only this string data is displayed. Okay. In second command displayed date and time also displayed. In first command displayed only day, month, date, year are displayed. Okay. No display time in this command, and second command is displayed both time and date, and third command displayed only date. No time are displayed. Okay. This string data is displayed only. Okay. Next, if you look at this, commands are run. Open the command prompt, SQL command line, and start to process the commands. First, select space to underscore char of timestamp (2021) 5th month 3rd day space next time okay quotations are open and close next comma the string is date month year only these data are displayed from the table. Dual is the table name. Okay. Only in this command is used to display the only date. Okay. Because the string data type is date, month, year. So display the year 21, month 5th month and day are displayed. Okay. This year is displayed. Okay. Next command select space to underscore char of timestamp. Timestamp means both time and date are displayed. Year, month, day. Okay. Next time hours, minutes, seconds. Quotations close, comma. The string is years, month, date. Okay. Space, hours, minutes, seconds. Okay. The string is used both display time and date are displayed. Okay. From which table? Dual. Semicolon. Enter. Okay. If you look at this table, in this command, select to char of timestamp. Date is declared, time is declared, and the string data is years, month, date are displayed, and hours, minutes, seconds are displayed. So, two data types are displayed in this table. Okay, this is the command. The next command is select to char of timestamp quotations open year, month and date. Space next hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, quotations close, comma. Display data is only month, day, year. Okay, month, day, year only from dual table. Semicolon, enter. Okay, only displayed date, month, date, year. In this command is used to display the only date, not time. Okay, these are the commands. So, next. These are the example commands. So thank you all for listening.